Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your system is compatible for Microsoft Windows 11. So let's get started. You can see this Windows 11 just got released on 24th June 2021. But whether your system is compatible or not, in this video, we are going to make sure that you come to know whether you're going to use the same hardware or you need to upgrade it. So simply go ahead and launch your Google Chrome, whatever browser you have, and then go to Microsoft.com. And here you'll see it says introducing Windows 11. So simply go ahead and click on learn more. And you will be landing on this Windows 11 landing page here, and you simply have to scroll down to see the new features, and at the very bottom you will get an application to check whether your system is compatible for Windows 11 or not. So get ready. Windows 11 isn't here yet, but will be coming later this year. If you are excited, there are some things you can do in the meantime to get ready. Check for compatibility. Use PC Health Check app to see if your current PC meets the requirement to run Windows 11. If so, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. Okay, so simply go ahead and download this app. Okay, and this is going to be a very small application here. And in the meanwhile, if you want to check what are the system requirements, so this is the minimum system requirement. Windows 11 has to offer a lot of things here. So you can see these are the system requirements: processor, RAM 4 GB at least, storage 64 GB, system firmware, these needs to be on a system, TMP, graphic card, display, internet connection, and Microsoft account. Okay, these are very much feature specific requirement for Windows 11. If you need support of 5G, then you need to have modem, 5G capable modem, and so on and so forth. There are so many things, right? So let's go ahead and run this application. So go ahead and locate this download and just run it. Click on it to start the installation. And this is very simple installation. Go ahead and check this box of terms and agreement and let it install. And that's done. So go ahead and click on finish to open this PC Health Checkup app. And you'll see it says this is something, if you haven't signed into your account, Microsoft account on your Windows 10, then you need to sign in, but I am already signed in. It is asking for backup and sync. I don't have yet, so I'll quickly go ahead and run it. My PC is not compatible for Windows 11, right? Because I do not have a lot of things. So this is 7-year-old PC. You can see here it has 8 GB of RAM, and this is SSD. I don't have graphic cards. So this is how you can check whether your PC, desktop or laptop is compatible for Windows 11. And if you want to upgrade your system, simply go ahead and follow this system requirement. This is minimum system requirement. Okay, if you need certain feature that Windows 11 has to offer, you can learn more here on this page, like intelligent video conferencing. This is something audio output, so requires video camera, microphone, speaker, and so on and so forth. There are so many features, right? So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. Bye for now.